Hey everyone, welcome back to AetherStackAI. This is lesson 2 of week 1. If you missed lesson 1, watch it first, link in the description. We covered AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. Today we go deeper. How does the learning actually happen? Here is the quick reminder. Quiz drops on Saturday. We ask some random questions from these two lessons. Top 3 win cash. So pay attention and listen carefully. Everyone says AI learns from data. But how? What does learning even mean for a machine? It does not have a brain, it does not go to school. In 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how AI learns using one simple example a 6-year old could understand. No math, no code, just the truth. Let me start with a question. How did you learn what a dog looks like? Nobody handed you a textbook. Nobody said a dog has 4 legs, a tail, fur, and an average height of 50 centimeters. You just saw a lot of dogs as a kid. Some big, some small, some fluffy, some short haired. After seeing enough of them, your brain figured it out. Now you can spot a dog you have never seen before. Instantly, that's exactly how AI learns through examples. Lots and lots of examples. Let me give a real example. Say I want to build an AI that can tell the difference between cats and dogs in photos. Step 1, data collection. I gather 10,000 photos, 5,000 cats, 5,000 dogs. Each one is labeled, meaning I tell the AI is in advance this one is cat, this one is a dog, the label is the key. Step 2, training. I feed the AI photo. Let's say a cat at first. The AI has no idea what it is. It makes a random guess. I think it's a dog. I tell it wrong. It was a cat. Then AI adjusts. Internally, it tweaks tiny numbers, millions of them, to get a little better next time. This adjustment is called learning. We do this thousands and thousands of times. Each time the AI gets slightly more accurate. So, what is learning for an AI? It's tweaking millions of internal numbers based on whether guesses are right or wrong. What's the entire definition? Tiny numerical adjustments done millions of times, each round slightly more accurate than the last. After 10,000 photos, it's not guessing randomly anymore. It's seen enough cats and dogs to pick up patterns, whiskers, snouts, ear shapes. It does not understand these things. It just learned which pattern predict cat and which predict dog. Now here where it gets fascinating after learning. We test the AI, we show it photos it has never seen before. New cats, new dogs, if it can correctly identify them even though they are brand new images, it has succeeded. This is called generalization. The AI did not memorize the training photos. It learned the patterns that make a cat, and a dog, a dog. So it can spot a new one. If it only memorized, that's a problem called overfitting. The AI gets perfect scores on training data but fails on anything new. Like a student who memorized exam answers but does not understand the subject. Real AI is not memorizing. It's a pattern recognition that generalizes to new situations. Now scale this up. ChatGPT did not learn from 10,000 examples. It learned from trillions of words, books, websites, articles, conversations. Every time it saw a sentence, it tried to predict the next word. It got it wrong. Adjusted, tried again, trillions of times. After all that training, it learned the patterns of human language so well that it can now write essays, answer questions, write code, hold conversations. It did not understand language the way you did. It learned the statistical patterns so deeply. The output is indistinguishable from understanding. That's the trick. That's how it works. Log these terms in. They will show up Saturday. Training data, the labeled examples used to teach AI, training the process of AI tweaking internal members to make better predictions. Generalization, The AI's ability to handle new examples it has never seen. Overfitting, when the AI memorizes training data but fails on new data. That's the foundation. Every AI you will ever use was built on these four ideas. So, uh, when it comes to the final phase, we have a quiz time. There will be some random questions from both lesson 1 and lesson 2. So, top 3 wins scorers win 500, 300, 200 prize monies. The prize money will be distributed, may be distributed in the form of a UPI or Amazon gift card. Subscribe to AetherStack AI if you are new and turn on the bell icon for latest notifications. You do not want to miss the form going live Saturday. If you have watched both lessons carefully, you can win this quiz. See you at the time of quiz. Thank you.